We will cook spaghetti carbonara or better noodles carbonara. So you need noodles, I hope you have noodles. And you need also some ingredients for the cream sauce. So you need cream, of course. And you need some cheese and an onion and maybe some salt and pepper and also some sunflower oil. And then for normal carbonara you would need, of course, bacon. But today we're gonna cook without bacon but with seaweed instead. And you have received dulce, which is a red seaweed. The scientific name is Palmaria palmata. So you need your dulce and you also need some water to water the dulce afterwards. Okay, so I would say let's start the cooking. Okay, we start with the noodles. I have boiling water here. I assume you know how to prepare noodles, so we put the noodles in the boiling water. And we let them do their job. And we continue with the cream sauce. So you can continue with the onion, chopping the onion. Okay, the onions are ready, so now we can add the cream. And wait a little bit. In the meantime, we have a look at the dulce, and it should have become a little bit larger also, and it looks like original seaweed again. It also is a little bit transparent. When you hold it against the light, you can see that it is transparent. It's only a few cell layers thick. Yeah, but we let it hydrate a little bit longer. And we can already add some cheese to the cream sauce to make it a little bit thicken. Yeah, and make it taste very well. I think after 10 minutes your cream sauce and your noodles should be ready. So when those two are ready, we can only focus on the seaweed then. Now we can finalize the recipe with frying the dulce. So you need again some sunflower oil and put it in a pan, not much. And then you might take a fork and put the dulce step by step into the oil. You put some dulce in here. Of course, you distribute it in the pan. And it behaves like bacon, actually. It sounds like bacon, it almost looks like bacon, but we will see if it also tastes like bacon. It doesn't take very long. As soon as it is crunchy, it's done, I would say. Let's wait a little bit longer. It's not really crunchy yet, but you can really feel that it becomes crunchy after, I think, 2 to 3 minutes. You can also smell the sea. Okay, so here are the noodles. I hope you are ready with your dish as well at this time. And you are hungry after a long day of conference. So we put the noodles, then we put the cream sauce on the noodles. And then finally we put the dulce on top of all of it. And that's it. Bon appetit and cheers. I hope you also might have a glass of wine, and cheers to all of you, cheers, and thank you to the organizers of the conference, and thanks also to Nico Linke for filming this. And yeah, let's eat. Bon appetit. Bye bye.